In the world of digital art, AI-generated pieces have become increasingly popular. But as the technology behind them improves, questions about their ownership and authenticity have started to arise. In recent years, we've seen a number of lawsuits involving so-called stability AI, software that creates art without human input. These cases raise important questions about who owns the rights to these works and whether they can be considered truly original. Some argue that AI-generated art should be considered the property of the creators of the software, while others believe that the algorithm itself is the artist. We believe that the true value of AI-generated art is in the collaboration between human and machine. It's not about who owns the rights, but about the unique and creative possibilities that arise from this partnership. As the use of AI in the art world continues to grow, it's clear that these legal and ethical questions will only become more pressing. But for now, the beauty and creativity of these works continues to captivate audiences around the world. What do you think about Midjourney? Stability AI lawsuits? Can AI art be stopped?